A green-hued comet on a 50,000-year journey is making its closest approach to Earth, perhaps for the last time.
What happens when a comet appears in our skies that is unlike any we've ever seen before? Recently, astronomers made an incredible discovery. A rare green comet has been spotted for the first time since the Stone Age. This stunning celestial event has experts and stargazers alike buzzing with excitement, eager to learn more about this extraordinary phenomenon. Comets have captured the imagination of humans for centuries with their breathtaking tails and mysterious origins. But what exactly causes these celestial phenomena, and why are they visible from Earth? Comets are essentially large balls of ice and dust that orbit the Sun in highly elliptical trajectories. As they approach the Sun, they heat up and release gas and dust particles, creating a glowing tail that can be seen from Earth. This process is known as sublimation, where the solid ice of the comets transitions directly into a gas without melting into a liquid. As the comet gets closer to the Sun, the increasing solar radiation causes the ice particles to sublimate, creating a cloud of gas and dust around the comet. This cloud reflects sunlight and produces the comet's characteristic tail. But why are comets visible from Earth? The answer lies in how light interacts with the gas and dust particles surrounding the comet. As the particles are ejected from the comet, they scatter sunlight in all directions, producing a bright glow that can be seen from Earth. The exact appearance of a comet can vary depending on several factors, including its distance from Earth, the angle at which it approaches the Sun, and the size of its nucleus. Some comets can appear as faint smudges in the sky, while others can be as bright as the full moon. Recently, the world of astronomy has been buzzing with excitement. Astronomers from all over the world have been tracking a rare comet's movements, eager to learn more about this incredible celestial event. The appearance of the green comet C2023E3 was once in a lifetime event that captivated the attention of the entire globe on February 5th, 2023. This rarely seen celestial body suddenly illuminated the entire Earth with its mystical green tail in its wake. The comet is made up of ice, dust, and rock fragments, and has an estimated diameter of around 2 kilometers. It is thought to have come from the Oort cloud, which is beyond our solar system's outermost planets, and has been moving across space at a speed of about 12 kilometers per second. Astronomers are highly intrigued by the comet because of its unusual orbit. In addition to its distinctive color, its high eccentricity and inclination indicates that its motion is extremely erratic and unpredictable. The discovery of this green comet has sparked a renewed interest in the study of comets and their origins. Comets are thought to be remnants from the early solar system and may contain clues about the conditions that existed during its formation. The sighting of this rare green comet is not only a cause for scientific excitement, but also for stargazers and amateur astronomers who have been eagerly observing the comet's movements. Many have taken to social media to share their photos and observations, making this a truly global event. Comets are composed of a mixture of ice, dust, and gases, including water, carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia. These materials are thought to have been present in the early solar system and may have played a role in the formation of the planet and other objects in the solar system. Green comets, like other comets, can be classified into two main categories based on their composition: volatile-rich and volatile-poor. Volatile-rich comets are composed mainly of ice, while volatile-poor comets have a higher proportion of dust and rock. Comets are made up of a mixture of ice, rock, and dust, and are believed to be remnants from the early formation of the solar system. As they orbit the Sun, they heat up and release gases and dust, creating the characteristic tails that are visible from Earth. The green color of comets is caused by the presence of certain chemicals in their composition, most notably diatomic carbon, C2. When C2 is excited, it emits a greenish-blue light that gives green comets their distinctive hue. Other chemicals that may contribute to the green color of comets include cyogen, Cn, and carbon monoxide, CO. Over time, the composition of comets can change due to a variety of factors, including interactions with other objects in space and exposure to solar radiation. For example, as a comet gets closer to the Sun, it may start to release more gas and dust, which can alter its composition and lead to changes in its colour and behaviour. As the famous astronomer and science communicator Neil deGrasse Tyson once said, "Comets are like deep freeze time capsules that tell us about the early solar system." One notable green comet that has been studied extensively is Comet 103P Hartley 2, which was visited by NASA's Deep Impact mission in 2010. The mission provided valuable data on the composition of the comet, including the presence of water, carbon dioxide, and other gases. The discovery of the rare green comet has captivated the world with its mysterious origins and unprecedented beauty. As scientists continue to study the green comet, they hope to learn more about its origins and the conditions that existed during the early formation of the solar system. Comets are believed to contain pristine material from the early solar system and may hold clues to the origins of life on Earth, and potentially reveal more about the origins of the universe itself. As more people around the world become aware of its existence, amateur astronomers and stargazers are joining in on the excitement and sharing their observations on social media. While much is known about the composition and behaviour of these intriguing objects, their exact origins are still unclear. Some scientists believe that orange comets may be the remnants of ancient asteroids or the result of collisions between comets and other objects in space. One theory is that green comets may be dead comets that have lost their volatile materials and are now composed mainly of dust and rock. Another theory is that green comets may be the result of interactions between comets and the solar wind, which can cause changes in their composition and colour over time. Despite the main theories and hypotheses surrounding the origins of green comets, there is still much to learn about these fascinating objects. By studying green comets and their behaviour over time, scientists hope to unlock some of the mysteries of the universe and gain a better understanding of the origins and evolution of our solar system. How have green comets evolved over time, and what can they tell us about the origins of our solar system? Green comets are a rare and fascinating type of comet that has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts for many years. It's important to take a closer look at the life cycle of a comet. As comets travel through space, they are affected by the gravitational pull of other objects, including planets and other comets. Over time, the surface of a comet can become eroded and fragmented by these interactions, and the comet may start to release more gas and dust as it gets closer to the Sun. This process can cause the comet to develop a coma, or a cloud of gas and dust that surrounds the nucleus, and may also lead to the formation of a tail. But what about the green colour of some comets, and how has this evolved over time? According to NASA, only a small percentage of comets exhibit a green colour, and this is thought to be due to a combination of factors, including the distance of the comet from the Sun, its size and composition, and the amount of gas and dust it is releasing. Some of the most famous green comets include Comet 21P Giacobini-Zinner, which was discovered in 1900 and is known for its distinctive green colour. Another notable green comet is Comet 103P Hartley 2, which was studied by NASA's Deep Impact mission in 2010. So what can green comets tell us about the origins of our solar system? According to scientists, studying the composition and behaviour of comets could provide valuable insights into the conditions that existed in the early solar system. By analysing the gases and dust released by the comets, scientists can gain a better understanding of the chemical makeup of these objects and the processes that drove their evolution over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.